Dear viewers, My Focus YouTube channel welcomes you to learn R sound. The R sound is articulated by raising the tongue tip towards the hard palate. The tongue is carved backward slightly and does not touch the hard palate. Vocal cord vibrates. Practice with me the R sound. R, 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 R. Now let's practice R sound in these words listed. These are the beginning sounds. Reading, reason, realize, relationship, residential, rainbow, recommend. Now let us see a few sentences having R sound in it. Keep in mind they are the beginning sounds. Focus on the underlined words. I see a rabbit in the grass. They all wanted to race together. The rain was pouring down. I want raisins in my cereal. The rat was looking for some cheese. She is trying to reach the rings. It was fun to read about the kings. Look for R sound in these listed words. Keep in mind they are in the middle position. Around, arrange, correct, correction, category, dictionary, encouragement. Look for R sound words in these sentences. They are in the middle position. Focus on the underlined words. She is holding an arrow. He needed a battery for his game. He ate blueberries for breakfast. She has a digital camera. We pick carrots from the garden. Her earring was too heavy. Many trees are in the forest. R sound in the final position. Focus on these underlined words. As you're pronouncing these words, you will feel that R sound by the end of these words are not stressed. Admire, beware, guitar, indoor, questionnaire, volunteer, millennia. Practice the R sound words in these sentences. They are in the final position. The bear was hunting for food. I put butter on my popcorn. They sat down for a family dinner. She put the clothes into the dryer. The fire kept them warm. The wood floor made the room look great. She has long, pretty hair. Practice R sound continuously for an effective pronunciation. Thank you. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.